My friend and I talk about politics in a peaceful, quiet room. Our discussion was clear and refreshing. Because of this environment, I instantly eliminated the mental filter and distraction by delivery listening challenge. We had a beautiful discussion. We had talked about power of politicians. Two other politicians. From what we have observed from this event, we still have the trust in that good leader we have. Even if she or he had been attacked by the false accusation in his government or her government position. During this conversation, I had only one follow-up question about this is all about his opinion on the result of the past election. I had one when I agree deep to his opinion. Due to this quiet tone and no rush discussion, I had no problem in catching up with his messages. That's low. Uh, I showed an interesting gesture. Mm, from my observation, I want to work on understanding the big picture. I think this focus is on the personal and corporate discussion, while I had a strength in recalling details. Thank you.